Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today we're doing a get ready with me. I have some new perfume from Dossier to show y'all today. And of course we're going to have some daily cleaning motivation. So I hope this video inspires and motivates you to do your homemaking today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together.
So I'm going to start by flat ironing my hair, and I'm so excited to be partnering with Dossier for today's video. So Dossier is a luxury inspired perfume company that has all the perfume scents you love at an affordable price.
Choose right from wrong. We found a strength to go on together.
So I love that Dossier is vegan and cruelty free and has eco-friendly packaging, and that their scents range from $29 to $59, while designer brand costs $100 to $300. And you will feel comfortable ordering online, because if you try a scent and you don't love it, you can send it back. So I will leave all of Dossier's links down below in the description, and I'm going to share with you the scents I am trying today. And oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. The one I'm wearing today is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's light blue. It smells so amazing. I started filming this video at 8 o'clock in the morning. Now it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I still smell it. It just lingers, but it's the perfect amount of fragrance that it's not overpowering, but you still smell it, and I love that. I do not like when you spray your perfume and you smell it for like 5 seconds and then it just totally disappears on you. So I love that this one has a little hint all throughout the day. It's long lasting, and I gotta say, I have tried the one that it is inspired by, and it smells, I feel like I'm wearing that one. So Dossier is just wonderful. So this is the box that it comes in, and you have this little information card right here. The one I'm wearing today is the citrus green apple, and it is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's light blue. So good. I cannot say enough good things about this one. And then I'm also have the other one I wanted to show y'all was the floral jasmine. And the floral jasmine is inspired by Tom Ford's Jasmine Rouge, which retails for $250. And on Dossier's website, you can get their inspired perfume for $39. You cannot beat it. So if you are someone like me that loves luxury scented products, but your wallet does not always have that luxury price, then you know Dossier has your back. You can go on their website, and like I said, their prices range from $29 to $59, and quite a few of their perfumes are only $29, which I think is just a wonderful deal, especially for a perfume that is inspired by a luxury brand. So I hope y'all will go try out Dossier. Let me know if you do and what kind of perfume you pick out. So now that my hair is done, I'm going to go ahead and put all my makeup on. I have a really quick makeup routine, and I will link the video at the end of this one where I showed all the products that I use, and I'll also have it in the description box below if you want to go watch that video to see everything that I do when it comes to my morning routine.
Just like magic, won't forget this for the rest of my life. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation just a little while?
So now I'm going to get started cleaning up. I wanted to go ahead and get a load of laundry going. That way I can do some multitasking. And I'm using these little Tide Pods right here. And then I'm going to add my scent beads in there as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and clear off the washer and dryer. This is like the collect all space for us. When we come in, we just dump stuff on the dryer. So let me know, what is your collect all zone? Ours is definitely the kitchen and the laundry area.
Without you, I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer. Yeah, I just need you to. I just need you to. Stay a bit longer. I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation just a little while? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation just a little while? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
Alright, moving on to the kitchen. This room wasn't so bad. I do have a few dishes to clean, and I had some brownies right here, which is one box only has one brownie. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in with the other brownies, that way I can get rid of some of these boxes. And I'm just going to do some regular tidying up in here, get the dishes done, clean out anything that doesn't belong, and get this room straightened up.
Can I be around you for motivation just a little while? A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Just for motivation.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Oh my goodness, you know you need to reorganize your pantry again when stuff comes out at you. Anyways, I'm watching Faith's Life 1. That's who you hear.
I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
So I like to do the same thing in the living room every day. I'll just come in here, whatever I did not pick up the day before, I'll go ahead and get it clean. That way this afternoon when Aaron gets home, he comes home to a clean house, and I quite enjoy having a clean house too. So I do it for me as well. But I like to have everything straightened up. So I'm going to pick up my virtual office right here. And then I'm also going to clean out our cup holders that are in the chair and just wipe down everything that needs to be wiped down.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. You know.
Alright, so I ended up putting the Farm Fresh thing over here. I'm going to show y'all what happened to my blanket holder. But I have to wash all of these because they have a smell to them. And then I'm going to put the blanket holder over here. So let me go show you what happened. Alright, so there was rust on this. Wow, it is already dry. That is so fast. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. There was rust, as you can see. I didn't get all of it off, but I think it's because it's galvanized and then moisture must have got to it. We do have a plan for the future when it comes to living situations, but it's way too early for me to talk about. But we do have a plan because we think there's a lot more damage than, you know, just for putting in a new floor, if that makes sense. Like, I think there's water damage. So anyways, I'm still gonna keep this out here and let it dry because these are still really wet. But I cleaned the inside, I cleaned the outside with, I used Brillo pads. So hopefully if I can just leave this out here and it will be fine. And I do think it's because it's the galvanized metal. But I also have an Amazon package. I wonder what this could be. Okay, never mind. This package is for Aaron. I have two packages coming because I got some pillowcases for the bed for Halloween. And I cannot wait to show y'all those. But I think I'm gonna call it a video. I will come back. I don't know what day this is. Friday. So on Monday, I've already got a video ready for y'all. So next Wednesday, should be next Wednesday, we will pick back up. I want to do a deep clean. I want to shampoo the carpets. I want to wash my washing machine, wipe down cabinets, walls, doors, all those things that like I forget to do on a regular basis because I'm always just picking up after the mess we've made. So I hope this video was motivating, inspiring, or just gave you some entertainment. And do not forget to check out Dossier in the links down below. I'll have the perfumes that I selected down there, and then I'll also have their website. You can even take a quiz to see what kind of scent you would like. So I hope y'all will go check that out. They have been so wonderful to partner up with. And so anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video. I will see you back here in the next one. Bye.
This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like